Ready to ditch the ticket queues and explore the UK by train with ease? Let's dive into how to use the Trainline app to book your next adventure. First, download and open the app. You'll land on the journey planner screen. Tap the From field and type in your departure station. The app will auto-suggest stations as you type, making it super easy to find the right one. Select your starting point. Next, tap the To field and enter your destination station using the same method. Select your destination. Now, tap the Depart field to choose your travel date and time. Use the calendar to select your date, and then choose your preferred departure time. Hit Search, and Trainline will display all available train options for your chosen route. You'll see different train times, journey durations, and ticket prices. Select the train journey that suits you best. Then, choose your ticket type, such as Advance, Off-Peak, or Anytime. These ticket types offer different flexibility and pricing. Review your journey details and the total price. If everything looks good, tap Buy Now to proceed to payment. Choose your preferred payment method and complete your purchase. Once confirmed, your ticket will be stored directly in the app. You can find your ticket in the My Tickets section of the app. Simply activate your ticket before boarding and show the QR code to the train staff when asked. Happy travels!